So in yesterday's video, we took this rigid tailgate off my utility trailer and put this one that acted like a ramp so that we could deliver the smoker to the guy who bought it. And today, we're going to switch them right back. There's a good reason for it though. We are getting ready to go kayaking, and I'm going to show you the kayak racks that I made. But first, I gotta get this swapped out. Square it up, I'll show you how I built this. So I put this together last summer and it actually worked fantastic. I've got a few thousand kilometers on it, and I made this with Unistrut. If you've never used Unistrut before, this is what it is. It's basically this channel, and there's different sizes. This is, I think, one of the bigger sizes, and it comes with these holes stamped in them, these slots, and you can buy all types of different brackets. So this is a 90-degree bracket I bought, and they have Unistrut nuts, and you can kind of see how they work there. These nuts, they kind of have little teeth on them, and they bite into the channel and they self-lock. They also have these springs on them, so you can slide them around, position them, bolt them through, and it works absolutely fantastic. And so essentially, I've got 3 kayak racks, and if I'd wanted to, I could make this top bar a little bit longer and do 4, but we only have 3 kayaks. And one of the reasons why I made this rigid tailgate was to stiffen up the sidewalls of this trailer, because it's actually quite flexible because there's nothing other than this main support beam here. And so I thought if I put a rigid gate on there, that totally stiffens this up, and then with these on here, stiffens the side rails. This thing is incredibly robust. Really didn't take me that long to build. I was gonna film it, but I was in a rush last year, and so I couldn't. Now the one thing I did do is I did put in these 45-degree braces, and that made a big difference because even these sidewalls would go back and forth a little bit, but with a brace like that up there on each corner, this thing is absolutely rigid. And the really nice thing about this is we get our kayaks on here, strap them down, and then we still have pretty much all of the utility trailer to put all of our camping gear in. I've used Unistrut a lot on construction sites for mounting control panels to walls, all sorts of things. I mean, if you go to any industrial building, you're gonna see a whole bunch of Unistrut, but I did not realize how expensive it had gotten. I forget how much this stuff cost. Again, I was just buying it from my local hardware store, so that didn't help, but I did use some washers. I shimmed in between there because these sidewalls are ribbed, and I didn't wanna compress those or bend in the walls here. And so I've just got 3/8 bolts, 2 on each upright all together. And then, yeah, we've got our 90 brace here, went with 1/2-inch hardware, and then each corner has one of these. I did have to modify my kayak racks a little bit. These are from Costco, Kilimanjaro. They actually work really well. And I forget what I had to do, but it didn't quite fit over the thickness of the Unistrut. So I think it's just new bolts I had to buy, because these are designed to go onto a roof rack of a car. That was my solution, and it works really, really well. Most of the time, I'll leave this on unless I know I'm gonna haul something else, but you still have quite a bit of usable utility trailer. The one thing we do is we just pack Rubbermaid totes, put them in here first, and then put the kayaks on top, because it's kind of difficult to get stuff out from in there. But the nice thing is, it's kind of almost makes it secure. Like when you're stopping at a gas station, if you're stopping to eat on the side of the road, it's not easy to get the stuff that's in there. So between this and my truck, we can haul a lot of gear and 3 kayaks. And during the summer, I'll often leave those kayaks on there all the time, so that if we just want to go for an afternoon, we can just hook it up and go. And then in the wintertime, I built this kayak storage rack. It's a little bit janky, but it actually works really good. That top one is hard to get down. Essentially, I just kind of slide it in, pull it out. Slide it that way, pull it down. And I definitely need a ladder for those top ones. Don't want to drop it on the car, but it actually works really good. And I mean, like that's about 8 feet up. So it's kind of nice in the wintertime when we're not going to be kayaking to have them completely out of the way. Also have our life jackets and our different kayaking gear in there. And then the paddles, I just keep them right here with our fly rods. You know, it's funny, I'm going through this minimalism thing that I keep on talking about, and keep thinking about the things that I truly enjoy doing in life and the things I want to do more of. Kayaking is one of them. I don't know what it is about kayaking. I've never really done it before. And so last summer, actually I got that one up there, the top one for Father's Day. It was used. But man, when you're just out on the water, paddling yourself around, it's so quiet and peaceful, and being close to the water, Those are sit-in kayaks, which I kind of like because you can keep a little gear inside and you don't have to worry about it falling off. It's just so much fun, and I'm so looking forward to getting a bunch of time in the water this year. I'll show you what this looks like with these loaded up. And just like that, 3 kayaks loaded up. You can see if you have a Rubbermaid tote in there, you can't actually get it out with these in place. But then what I do is I take the straps that they give you, strap it here, strap it there on each one. And then I also have some straps that I bring down to there. And I just tie these 1, 2, and 3 just so that they don't go backwards. And that actually holds really securely. Super happy with this setup. Anyways, just thought I'd share that with you guys in case there's a chance you might be looking for a creative way to haul your kayaks and you have a small utility trailer. This actually works really, really well. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Cheers.